A ring light. The difference the ring light makes is crazy. What am I doing? I'm waffling a bit. Usually I'll get straight onto it, but today I'm waffling a bit because I've got a bigger a bigger SD card, if that makes sense. It has more storage in it, and I'm just waffling.
Hey guys, hello, hi,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What was that? So today's video, I'm doing the Birchbox unboxing, and this is what the, look at them trying to get out. This is what the box looks like this month, and I say it every single month. It's so cute! It's so damn cute! So it looks like, oops, and this thing's baby pink. It's so cute. And then you just pull it out. It's upside down. You just pull it out. All your products are inside. Whoa. When I was like opening the box, the box, yeah, the box. It was quite heavy, and I was so excited. It wasn't like that heavy, but it was heavier than the other boxes that I've had. So that got me a bit excited. Hello, this is Mohammed speaking. How can I help you? These samples are quite big. Stop it. So the theme of this month is can't read. The theme of this month is palm leaves and warm breeze. Yeah. Oh, and there's like a June sneak peek of what we'll get in June. Oh, but I just realized I'm not gonna be able to get my June one because I'm gonna be in Egypt when I receive my June one. I'm going to Egypt in exactly 2 weeks. It is Saturday the 12th of May. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. I need to stop punching you guys. Make sure you do subscribe because I'm not gonna say crazy because I'm not about to like jump off a pyramid and shit, but I have like loads of exciting things planned. Subscribe. Talk too much, don't I? So the first thing that I'm gonna be trying is the new, I don't know if it's Nukes or Nux or I don't know. It's Nux Aquabella Micro Exfoliating Purifying Gel. So it says seriously hardworking but gentle enough for daily use. This cleanser sloughs away impurities without drying your skin out. Your pores will be left deeply cleansed and clear while hyaluronic acid and the brand's natural blur complex deliver luminosity and a refined, more even complexion. That sounds good. I'm gonna have to wet my face and put this on. So I'm gonna wet my face, I'm gonna put this thing on, and as I'm like rubbing it, I'm gonna run back here and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna run out and wash it off. I'll be back. Okay, so I came back because it's clear. I've kind of put some on my face, if you can see. So it have colour to it. And it smells so good. And there's the beads inside it aren't even that big. There's like, it's like 2. Oh. When I put it on my face, I can feel it. You can't see it, but you can feel it. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off, and I'll be right back. Damn. That feels so nice. My face feels so smooth, and I've never had that. Like I usually use I always use like scrubs and exfoliators. No, I don't really exfoliate. I use scrubs to exfoliate. And I don't know if it's because it actually worked or because my skin needed it, but it feels good. It feels great. I feel great. I am great. Anyways, the next item that I really want to try is, this is an Ico Skinny Liquid Lipstick. This is an Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. I'm so excited. You guys don't. Wait. This is so convenient. Everything that comes in the box, I usually like. I need to buy a new one. I needed a new eyeliner. Hold on, we get a bit too. Let me calm down. So I'm not gonna read about this because it's an eyeliner. But in terms of makeup, is this eyeliner and this. This is a Duce Wait, I don't even know if that company was Nux or Nukes, but for the gel, the exfoliating gel. And this is from either Duce or Douche or Deuce. I don't know, but it's spelled D-O-U-C-C-E. It's a luscious lip stain in steaming red or amber rose. Oh, you got to choose which colour, and I chose steaming red, but it's not red. It's like a...
No. Am I allowed to eat this? Am I allowed to eat?
He's asking me am I allowed to eat it after he's already opened it. Give me that spoon.
I ate the wings.
Is it hot?
It's hot.
Is that why you're like this? Because you ate wings?
Oh my god.
Wait, it's not good for you.
I need it.
It's not good for you,
I have to
brother.
have it.
But it's not good for
I
you.
have to have it.
It's good for me. I win. So you got to choose between like two shades, and I chose steaming red. I thought it would be a bit more red than this, but it's like a movie color. But I was so happy when I saw it because it's like my perfect everyday shade. Like my people like wearing like nudes and blah blah. This is me. This pigmented liquid formula applies matte, dries fast, so it won't transfer into anything and lasts for hours. Even better, unlike other matte lip products, this long-lasting formula glides on smoothly for an all-day wear. I'll be the judge of that. I'm gonna try these two products on, but first I need to do my base. I need to do my base. I'm not gonna do my base on camera just for today, but if you guys would prefer me to do my base on camera, please let me know, and I will for the next time I do this. But yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. 1, 2, 3. This is what the tip looks like. It's not as fine as I'd like it to be, but you know. My favourite eyeliner to use is usually the Rimmel Glam Eyes black eyeliner. Oh, that's quite black. That's really black actually. Oh, I didn't expect it to be like that. So that's how it looks like, and it's not matte. I usually like my eyeliners to be matte, but this one's not matte. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. I don't even know if they look the same, but I actually struggled. And like eyeliner takes like 2 minutes. For me, it's quick for me, but with the felt tip, I struggled. I really struggled. But I want to show you guys these lashes that I'm about to try. They look like this. This is from Primark. These are the full look lashes from Primark, and it was £1. So this is what they look like. These look so good. Like, Primark are really stepping up their game. The lashes look like. Okay, now I'm gonna try the like lip stain liquid lipstick thingy. I literally have not dipped back in once. Oh, wait, what's going on? When I like rub my lips together, it picks up. It's like whoever that was on here is going down here. Let me do it. This kind of feels like powdery as well. It feels like it literally feels like a powder on my lips. So I take it back when I said this is like my everyday shade. My everyday shade would be like darker, way darker than this. This is bright. Yep. I like this colour. I don't know how I feel about the formula because it's dry. It's really dry. It's really dry. The last two products on here are not makeup related. This is from Green Frog Botanic. And this is a geranium and peppermint botanical body wash. This organic formula is cruelty-free, vegan and completely free from chemical nasties. Brimming with moisturizing aloe vera and saffronin-rich soap berries. This gentle wash cleanses your skin while maintaining pH levels. It's great for sensitive skin, eczema and something else which I don't know how to pronounce. So how much is in here? 50 ml. There's 50ml in this. That's actually quite a lot of product if you think about it. I will try this out and I'll let you guys know. And the other one is this activated. This is kind of intriguing. I'm very intrigued by this. It intrigues me and I'll tell you why. So from a company called Native Unearthed, and it's an activated charcoal natural deodorant balm. I've never seen anything like this. This all natural cream forgoes chemicals in favor of sweat absorbing. Just smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean underarms to form an invisible shield. Simple. So it's not a roll on, it's not a spray. You got to scoop some of this out and slap it under there. So that is all the products in my Birchbox. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If there's anything else that you guys would like to see from me, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.